Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is a slow cooker garlic Parmesan chicken and potato recipe. So I have a pound of red potatoes that I'm cutting up. And then I have 2 pounds of chicken that I'm also going to cut up into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to add those ingredients to my crock pot, season with some salt and pepper, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Some minced garlic, and some grated Parmesan cheese. And I should have probably stirred it, but I didn't. I put the lid on it and let it cook on low for 2 to 3 hours. And when it was done, this is what it looked like. And at that point, then I stirred it. The chicken, since they're small pieces, is already done, had been done cooking. So if you have to kind of stir it gently, unless you're going to get the potatoes and chicken, broken up into even smaller pieces. At this point, it doesn't look very appetizing, but it's really good. So once I stirred that around, I did add, you're supposed to add Parmesan, shredded Parmesan. I thought I had some and I didn't. So I just had this 4 cheese mixture that had Parmesan in it. So I did add that as a substitute and put the lid back on for about 10 to 15 minutes just until that cheese melted, and then it's ready to serve. It's just a really quick, easy meal and pretty delicious. I love potatoes and I love garlic and I love chicken, so it works for me. So if you would like to follow along, I have the full recipe linked below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.